Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to make your Snapchat account private on Snapchat. So unfortunately, Snapchat does not have a dedicated button to make it all private. You'll need to tweak some settings in order to make yourself private. So let me show you how you can do this. So first, you want to go to your App Store, search for Snapchat and make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. In the app, go ahead and tap on your Bitmoji here at the top left. Then tap on the settings icon here at the top right. Now here in settings, you want to scroll down until you see privacy control. Now from here, we need to tweak some settings so you become more of a private person on Snapchat. So first, you want to go ahead and click on View My Story. Now here you can choose My Friends or Custom. So custom privacy will allow you to choose which friends you want your Snapchat to be seen by. So you can go ahead and choose who you want to be seen by. Next, where it says Contact Me, tap on that. And here you need to basically select Only Friends. So only friends can basically see you on Snapchat. Next, where it says See Me in Quick Add, you want to go ahead and disable this feature, as anyone who have your phone number in their contact list, they'll be able to see you on Snapchat. So make sure you switch that off. And lastly, go ahead and tap on See My Location and make sure you're in ghost mode. So once you're in ghost mode, no one will be able to see your location on Snapchat. And there you go guys, that is how to make your Snapchat account private on Snapchat. Now if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.